In the last few weeks, we've been working on the first release of our application that's codenamed Pug. That's an internal name. You don't need to worry about it. And the deadline is actually next week. And on the infrastructure side, we've created the production infrastructure, production environment, and we've started pushing a lot of data to our backends and started to log them. So for example, we have started client-side analytics. We're using Firebase to store analytical data about the client-side and user activities, so stuff like that. So basically, all of our data is funneled into BigQuery. Here you can see BigQuery. This is our staging environment, not the production, but still, we've got lots of data here. We're currently at the stage of just gathering data, ingesting everything. And later on, we need to think about how we want to use that. If you want to build processes, for example, that may even respond in real time according to changes in the data, or just for analytical purposes and stuff like that. Also, you can see here, we're drawing close to the deadline, which is on January 8th. That's next week, and this is our release progress. This dotted yellow-orange line is the velocity we should be burning issues or tasks. And as you can see, we're, as of today, even ahead of schedule, just slightly, but we're on schedule, so we should be finished by Monday next week, and all looks good.
Okay, so I'm now working on the upcoming version of the DAV Rider app, the scooter app. So we're releasing the first version to the Google Play Store next week on Tuesday. So we gathered together several bug fixes and stuff we want to prepare before the launch. Also working with our designer on preparing all the graphic items for the Play Store. This is basically it. You can see here also some of it. So it's not final, and you see it's the colors are not the latest, but still, this is some of the things we do. This is like the first version. It will not include the entire flow. It's more to get a feeling of the app, the look and feel, to get feedback from our community. It's very cool.